Sige, play mo tayo. Hi guys! Ito na po ang aking niluto. Adobong kangkong. Adobong pork with tofu. Ito, kumakain na kami ang aking buong pamilya. Thank you guys for watching.
My mom is so supportive.
Yeah, and also mami kain ng tuyo. Yan, may tuyo si
yummy.
mami. Yan.
Tuyo.
Si Apa. Yan, si Shobe. And me. And ate. Oh, di ba? Kanin, adobong baboy na may tofu at adobong kangkong na may tofu. Yan.
Remember, everyone remember to eat healthy food, okay?
Oh, that's my girl.
Galing pala
Oh. She love to eat gulay. It's like San Juan. Actually, she's PG. You know what PG? Hindi siya parental guidance, ah. PG is? What do you mean by the PG, anak? What is that? You say it. Sabi niya patay gutom daw siya.
I have no idea what this is talking about.
Okay.
Yeah. Even do you know the part the behind and the front? It's like this. Wow, Maria, you're the only one who knows it, ah.
Sabi mo, right
Pag sila Zane.
Yabang.
Ano ito? Ano ito? No, you have to answer by your own. Tapos, ako, wala question. Answer agad.
Tadi niya, take note. Yung anak ko, hindi yabang sa akin.
Yan. Panood ni Daddy yan.
No! No, I'm too shy. It's my haircut.
Basta lagi lang.
Ma, what should we do to spend time with you before it's Monday?
Sabi ni Daddy, pag ma-perfect ka daw, meron siyang surprise sa'yo.
Wow!
Chippy.
Wow! No ba?
I want the cheesy. And actually, Ma, how about we spend time with you muna right now?
Okay, let's spend time. Maya, mag-video kita. No? What do you want?
How about
Movie marathon or it's ano?
no karaoke na lang tayo.
Karaoke na lang?
Yeah.
Kaso pag pinapakanta kita, you always, no mama, I'm shy.
Fine, I will. But just do not repeat me.
Kaya nga tayo nag-ano.
Nasaan na yun?
Nakuha ko na rin yung gusto ni Papa na kulay. Yun yung gusto niyang kulay. Diba? Sarap
Fine,
ng
Mom.
gulay, guys. Ang sarap ng gulay. Kangkong.
Mama, stop being so viral.
Ilang kulay gusto ko.
Yun nga, nakuha ko na. Kano guys? Ito yung gusto niyang kulay pag nag-adobo ako. Guys, ang gawin nyo lang,
Watch
pumili
your
kayo ng
video.
baboy na maraming taba. Huwag kayong maggisa ng mantika. Hayaan mong lumabas yung mantika. And then you put the bawang, then the sibuyas, and then pineapple juice. Yun lang. And after that, ilalas nyo na po yung suka. Bakit? Titigas yung baboy nyo. So, kung kalimutan lagyan ng toyo, ha? Wala lasa yan. Hindi ko nilagyan ng asin. Just tuyo lang. Tuyo ba?
Tuyo lang.
Tuyo lang. Ha?
Everyone, if you do
Saya man.
guys, if you do not understand my mom, just translate it on
Bra-
English because she's Bisaya. When she was a child, she's
See?
from the probinsya.
Yeah. Listen to my daughter.
Bisaya man.
She fell
She's
in.
the one my bully. No, it's number 2. The first one is this one.
The truth is, two of us are kampe-kampe. Me and my daughter kampe-kampe.
See?
And then my mom doesn't even care.
Oh my God.
At night, she just sleeps. But then she never loved me.
Nasa ni mama mo eh.
No, she doesn't. What you always do is just, I love you. But if mama, okay, good night. She just sleeps again. Guys, do you know what? Have you ever seen that mother before?
Huh?
My mother is so harsh. She's always hirap ulo. She works hard and supports me and my dad and everyone.
Oh my God. I'm harsh daw.
You're still very harsh, ma.
Baka makulong si mama.
Ayan. Mga panood nila yan.
I don't care.
Wala naman si Mama.
Nah, you don't know if oh yeah, I remember that one video I showed you. Life without mom. You didn't even listen to me. You just cellphone. Everyone puts
But even if I'm harsh, do you still love me?
I already showed you a TikTok video and don't it says, don't be harsh to your children. Get it? When you always say wait, be patient, okay?
Oh my God. Don't follow the TikTok.
Sa Amerika, may dalang police namatay.
Everyone, patience always
Noon ma'am,
important.
sabi niya, somebody calls for 911.
Guys, you have nails.
Tapos pumasok ng, tapos nandun ang anak niya. Sabi ng mama niya, I did not call 911. Sabi niya, kasi pumasok yung babae, yung bata na lalaki. So I was the one who called 911. Why? Because my mommy treat me, parang hindi ba lang treat ko sa kanya. Look what happened. Sabi niya kasi, because my mom ditch his class. Sabi, hindi pumasok. So, magalit ang nanay niya, pinagalitan siya, pero hindi mo siyang inano. Sabi ng police, ganun pala yun, sabi niya. If I were your dad, I will also do that to you. Sabi niya, alam mo yung ginagawa mo ng ditch ka ng ditch ba? Ditch yung hindi ka pumapasok sa klase. Sabi niya, you ditch your class, sabi niya. I was do the same thing to you. Sabi niya, you should be thankful na hindi ako. Kung ako yan, babanatan din kita. Nagulag yung babae ba? Kasi, game niya sinaktan eh. Sa Amerika, yung bata, kung nalamin niya na pwede masumbong sa gobyerno.
Mahilig sa gano'n eh.
Sa babae, ginanon ko lang siya kung hindi siya pinalo eh.
Naka-video pa.
Ay, I'm sorry.
Guys, he said call 911. And Papa, why did you dare say that?
No, Papa just tell us na gano'n yung nangyari sa Amerika daw.
Wait, Pilipinas doesn't like
Tumutupo ka?
America or United States,
Sabi ng
right?
police, if I were your dad, I would do the same thing to you. Sabi niya,
Kalay.
ditching your classroom is against, sabi niya.
Papa,
Sarap ng silid.
Papa, everyone's literally watching what you're talking about.
Okay.
You know, everybody is almost done eating. You haven't done. See?
Oo nga.
See? Oh, that's it. So, inayos lahat. Oh. Use your fork. Dalawang kamay. Dito yung kamay lang yan. Yan! Make use of your spoon.
Aba, para masarap.
Oh my. That's why you call this a hard family.
Oh no.
Sa tutor, ang ano din niya. Supportive din niya sa tutor.
Sino si?
Yeah.
Like,
Pinig na.
Ay, ma'am.
Concentrate
Hindi
na.
mo ba alam, pag tulog mo na 9 o'clock, si Papa kinakuha ang cellphone, tapos sabi, akuha mo! Tapos kami ni Mama nagsa-cellphone, hindi namin rinig.
okay na rin. Madaling ganun eh.
Ay, naku ba?
Diba sabi ko nga kay doktora? Okay na rin yung doktora na wala sa ganang kumain.
Para ano.
Neat.
Mama, I think you put too much sauce.
Ang galing ah.
Mama, I think you put too much sauce.
Ang sarap ka.
It's so salty.
Pinatay.
Dahil mainit ang panahon, magbi-big scoop kami. But take note, 1 scoop only. Para hindi kami tataba. But take note, 1 scoop only. Para hindi kami tataba. O, diba?
Ikaw lang.
Guys, the melt's off.
Guys, kita ba natin? Tuto dati, diba?
It's so yummy eh.
Ano ba?
It's so yummy.
1 scoop daw pa. Guys, sabi ko 1 scoop. Eh, hindi ko mapuno yung 1 scoop. Sige, may extra.
Big scoop.
Dapat to.
Guys, this ice cream is called Big Scoop.
Okay na to.
Wala naman tayo.
Ah!
Wala naman tayong kutsara.
Bakit kutsara na?
Dahil ano ba yun? Dahil lagi gano'n.
Ang sarap nito, dark chocolate.
Pinagkahirapan mo ako dahil.
Sarap, dark chocolate.
Kawawa naman.
Masarap.
Kawawa na si Ulis.
Yes, dark chocolate.
Tahon.
Ano, wala nga akong plato eh. Kawawa nga ako eh. Hindi ako kakainin din eh.
Uy, tahon.
Uy, tawon!
Ate, oh.
Tawon! Wala ko.
Ay, wala man tahon. Si Maria.
Ano itong dalawa?
Ulis pa.
Ayan guys, di ba?
Mami,
Happy
ano ba?
family
Meron
kami.
na ako!
Oh, di ba?
Ano ba?
Ayan.
Mami,
Guys, kung bumili
meron
kayo
na
ng
ako!
ice cream, yung dark chocolate, masarap siya kasi hindi siya masyadong matamis.
Ano ba yan? Sabi mo,
Ah.
kunti lang. Ay, minus.
Dahil yung anak ko pa, PG, ayan o, dami sa kanya. Kasi gusto niya yan, lagi madami sa kanya. Anak, ngayon ka lang kakain ng ice cream ha. Not next time na ha. Kasi masama ang laging mag-ice cream, magiging energetic ka na naman. Tapos, hindi na naman tayo matulog ng gabi. Yung away-away mama na naman.
Ang sarap pala nito, guys. Yummy.
Diba? Oh, yan.
Ba't buti na lang eh, 8 ice cream.
Big scoop ha, big scoop. Dark chocolate po,
Mama!
guys. Dark chocolate.
Mama, but why did the milk make me sleep at night so long?
Oo. Mint kasi yun. Kasi meron din siyang flavor ng mint. Eh ngayon, kaya nakita niya tong dark chocolate, nakikikain siya sa amin. So, yun. Happy Maria?
Ano? Pag mainit.
Bakit ako ng kutsara?
Na!
Tawa si ate.
O, di ba? Kakain kami ng ice cream. Siguro pwede namin ganun. No? Kasi wala kami kutsara. Ayaw kami bigyan ni mami ng kutsara. Ay, kutsarita. O. Kakain kami ni Ate Bernice ng ano. Wala kami kutsara. O, di ba? Gagano lang kami guys. O.
Naging aso.
Nagiging aso kami. O, di ba? Ang saya. Di ba, Limi? Kahit malaki namin. Yan, ayan. O, di ba? Ang aking asawa, napaka-macho. Grabe.
Ayan.
Yan.
Papa, you're naked!
Yes.
Guys,
He's
no one.
naked. Kasi feeling niya pa macho siya.
Benoy, okay na?
Diba? So guys, oh, sarap. My God, sarap guys, oh. Diba? Hindi naman kami laging kumakain ng ganito. Paminsan-minsan lang. Siguro, sa isang araw, 3 times a day.
Guys!
Joke!
Guys, hindi nyo ba alam, once per year, nagkakain kami ng ice cream.
Oh, mas matindi yung anak ko. Once per year lang.
Pero pag Christmas, big scoop! Kasi Christmas, snow! And the cold breeze.
What love you most? Birthday?
Yummy.
Christmas?
Thank you sa ice
Halloween?
cream.
Thank you.
My favorite is Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Oh, wow! Take note guys, favorite niya ang Mother's Day.
Just kidding! Everything!
Oh my God, binawi.
I like every event. Birthday, and it was my birthday, guys. Bro, it was so dramatic. There was a lot of people here, and then I have no space to go. When I go inside my room, bro, get out. It's because my cousins keep on sleeping there, but my dad is so kawawa, he has no space, and it's so maingay.
Oh no.
Ana.
Bingo!
Wow! Bye everyone! See you part 2!